Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today I have come up with puffed rice, groundnut, and save ladoo. Now, this is a sweet and a crunchy dish similar to peanut chicky. The difference is in the form and the taste. In this ladoo preparation, we will be adding puffed rice or Charmooro as you call it in Konkani or pori in Malayalam, groundnut or peanut, and save or sopur koro in Konkani. To the jaggery, sorry. To the jaggery. To add to its flavor, we add elaichi also. Groundnut and save laddu can be prepared during Diwali and also during temple festivals when you expect guests at home. To the ingredients, you need 1 cup of charmoora or puffed rice, 1 cup bimukku or groundnut, 1 cup sopur koro or save. I have brought the market save from the market. 1 cup jaggery, 1/4 cup water, 8 to 10 number of elaichi. Roast the groundnuts on low flame till the golden brown in color, crunchy and there is no raw smell. While roasting the groundnuts, do not forget to keep stirring so that they will get roasted uniformly. Once you have roasted them, transfer them to a dry plate and cool it. Once cooled, remove the skin by crushing them between your hands. Remove all the skin and keep the groundnuts ready. Take puffed rice in a pan and dry roast it for 2 to 3 minutes or until its color changes to slightly golden. Keep this aside. Grate jaggery and add it to a heavy bottom pan. Add 1/4 cup water to it and keep on a low flame. The jaggery will begin to dissolve. Now if the jaggery is having impurities after dissolving, then pass it through a sieve or a fine mesh and then continue to use. Keep stirring the jaggery. The jaggery will start to bubble. Continue stirring until the jaggery reaches one strand consistency. Once the jaggery syrup has reached this stage, switch off the flame and immediately add the roasted groundnuts, puffed rice and sopur koro and powdered elaichi. Mix well thoroughly and gently and quickly till the groundnuts, puffed rice and sopur koro are coated evenly with the syrup. Apply some ghee to your hands and even while it is hot, start making small medium-sized laddus out of it. Make laddus while the mixture is hot as the mixture will harden very fast. Now if at all it hardens again, heat it for a few seconds and then prepare the laddus out of it. Your crunchy puffed rice, groundnut, save laddu are ready to be served. Once the laddus are cooled, store in airtight containers. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And in this channel, I will be telling you how to prepare Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. So please keep watching my channel.